I'm going to show you how to upscale or resize an image properly in Photoshop without losing detail. The first thing I'm going to do with this photo is unlock the layer so I can make edits to it. And now you can see this overlay that's coming up, and this is the free transform tool. I can show it or hide it by clicking on show transform controls. The option is also under the edit section under free transform. So the keyboard shortcut is Command plus T or Control plus T. But I'll go back to this image and pay attention to the pixels. It's 1500 by 844 pixels is the image resolution. So now I can resize this image. I can make it smaller or I can upscale it and make it larger. If I want to keep the same aspect ratio without stretching the photo, I have to press and hold the shift key, and now I can make it bigger. And let me just recenter that. So the image is now bigger, but I can't see the entire image. And I'm going to click on accept this, or I can press enter. So in order to reveal or see the entire image, go to image and then go to reveal all. And now I can see the entire image, and take a look at the aspect ratio, or the image resolution I should say. It's now about 2100 by 1200 pixels. Now let's say I want to crop in and make this guy a little bit even bigger and see more detail on its head, on the bird. So I'm going to press the keyboard shortcut C to activate the crop tool. And I'm just going to zoom in here. Just like that. And I think that looks pretty good. And I'm going to accept it. And now we can see this image zoomed in. The pixels are at 593 by 503 pixels, or the image resolution, but the detail is not that good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the image, go to image size, and I'm going to make sure it's on pixels here, the width, and I'm going to change it to 2000, let's say the width, and it's going to automatically keep the same aspect ratio. I'll click OK. And let me just zoom in or see this view at fit view. So now we can see the pixels, or the image resolution, is at 2000 by 1700 approximately. And unfortunately the detail is just not there. So what I'm going to do with this image is I'm going to resize it in Topaz Photo AI to get some of the detail back. But before I do that, I'm going to reactivate the crop tool, because I'm going to show you that the other pixels are still here. So the pixels that I cropped away are still there, but I don't want to upscale and get a large image size while I'm using Topaz Photo AI to recover some of the details. So I'm going to click on delete cropped pixels and I'll accept that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the filter, go to Topaz Labs, go to Topaz Photo AI. And now this is going to automatically open up Topaz Photo AI, which is already a software I have installed, and it works as a plugin with Photoshop. So now you can see Topaz Photo AI is working, or it just finished working, and it sharpened the image. So here's the before and here's the after. So here's the before. This is what Photoshop did when it upscaled it to about 2000 pixels width, and this is what Photo AI did with automatically sharpening it. So let's take a look at the sharpen. So it automatically sharpened the subject. I'm going to click on export to Adobe Photoshop, which will take a few seconds to render this image. Now take a look at this photo with the image resizing, or the upscaling with some Photo AI enhancements. It looks a lot better. So this is the proper way to scale or resize an image in Photoshop.